I fermented garlic and onions for 3 days. You will not believe what it turned out to be. This is an intense hair growth treatment. If you don't want your hair to grow too fast, if you don't want bushy hair, do not use this. This is one of those recipes that immediately it touches your scalp, you will feel the impact almost immediately. This is not that kind of recipe that takes 1 month, 2 months for you to start seeing results. This one will give you instant results. If you're having dandruff, use this once, wash it off, and after that process, your dandruff will be gone forever. What I bring to you today is actually the secret to longer and thicker hair growth. If you actually want to grow your hair, if you're really ready to grow your hair, then you must try out this recipe. After you tried it, come back to me with your results. You'll be so shocked of how your hair has transformed. Without talking too much, let's get into the video. The preparation is very easy and all you need is just 2 ingredients. All I need you to do is watch this video to the end. Promise me you try out this recipe, and after trying it, come back with your results. You have probably tried a lot of things that you see online and none works. You have tried the conditioners, you have tried the growth serums, or maybe you have bought expensive products that didn't work. Well, that is how it is for everybody. You have to do trials and error before you find something that works for you. But this recipe right here is one stop. If you try out this recipe once, I promise you'll be trying it out anytime you get a chance. What most people don't know is that most hair issues start from the scalp and not the hair. I need you to know that your scalp is a living tissue. It needs blood circulation, it needs nutrients, it needs oxygen, and it needs a balanced microbiome. When any of these are off, your hair pays the price. But here's the interesting thing. With the fermented garlic and ginger I am going to show you in this recipe, you do not have to worry about those factors because it will take care of it right from the root. You'll be excited to try out this. I am equally intrigued because this recipe is one of a kind. About the smell, don't worry, we got that. I know the smell is a big deal for some people, but what you need to know is that your scalp absolutely loves this. Onions in this recipe are absolutely crucial for hair growth. It provides you with the exact elements your hair is made up of. Sulfur, which builds up the keratin in your hair. When your scalp gets enough sulfur, it begins to thrive. Your hair strands become stronger, breakage reduces, and your hair growth cycle improves. Just applying onion juice on your scalp increases the blood flow on your scalp. More blood flow is equal to more nutrients reaching your hair follicle. What we are doing today is that we are going to ferment this ingredient to multiply the benefits. You already know how amazing onion juice and garlic juice can be on the scalp, but do you know that when you ferment it, it is even more powerful? No, you really have to experience this. You're not going to experience it if you don't try it. I blended the garlic and the onions together, which is the first step. If you're going to try out this recipe, ensure you use the red or the purple onions. I don't have a specific measurement for this recipe. I wanted to use it up at once. If you're making it to keep it or store it in your refrigerator, you can increase the ingredients. After blending the garlic, you can go ahead and transfer it into a jar that you use to ferment, or you can strain it out. The reason why I strained it out is because I want just the juice, but some people prefer to ferment it with the pulp. Whichever way you want to do yours is still going to give you that fermentation benefit. Let's talk briefly about each of the ingredients used in this video. We have already spoken about the onions. The second ingredient, which is garlic, is often overlooked. Mind you, garlic is one of the most powerful ingredients in this recipe. Without the garlic, this recipe will be incomplete. Garlic is rich in ceruleum and sulfur. Just like onions, garlic strengthens the structure of the hair and it goes deeper. It doesn't just strengthen your hair from the surface, it actually strengthens it from the inside, keeping your hair well anchored. Garlic stimulates dormant hair follicle. Some of your hair follicle go into sleep mode due to poor circulation, inflammation, lack of nutrients. Garlic helps stimulate those follicles back to activity. Even if your hair has stopped growing for a while, once you apply garlic juice on your scalp, your hair will start growing again. Garlic juice is very powerful. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory property which helps calm down the scalp, reducing condition that can lead to excessive shedding. Like I said before, for these onions and garlic pulp, you can actually leave it and ferment it together. After fermentation, you can go ahead and strain it. Now that we have gotten our fresh onions and garlic juice, I'll go ahead and pour this into a jar that I will use to ferment it. Now, it is highly advisable that you use a glass jar to ferment this. Do not use something plastic. If you don't have a glass jar, you can use a ceramic bowl to ferment it, but do not use plastic. The reason is that the fermentation of garlic and onions causes a chemical reaction. It is acidic in nature, And sometimes when you use plastic, the chemical from the plastic will leach inside the juice, and we do not want that. So just to be on a safer side, use a glass jar. This though should not be a reason for you not to try out this recipe. If you don't have a glass jar, you can go ahead and still use the plastic, but do not store it in the plastic. Just ferment it with your plastic and then take it away. So the third ingredient to this recipe is cloves. Now the reason I decided to add clove to this recipe is to keep my viewers alive. I'm just kidding, do not panic, okay? After fermentation, the smell will be less. I didn't add clove just for the scent. I added it to upgrade this formula. You already know that clove is incredibly potent when it comes to hair growth. Imagine when you combine 3 ingredients that circulate blood flow on your scalp. Not just combining it, you are supercharging it by fermentation. How awesome is that? Cloves contain eugenol that strengthen your hair strands, support your follicle health, and promote hair growth. Cloves also have a soothing property that can calm itching and inflamed scalp. So while onions and garlic work deeply, clove balances the experience, making it more effective. Now, this recipe I am giving you right here is one of a kind. You do not have any reason not to try out this. And I am expecting a feedback from you. You must try it. You cannot afford to watch this video from beginning to the end and not try out this. Yo, you notice the change, right? Now, that is what I'm talking about. That is the chemical reaction. I am going to explain that, but first, let me explain why we are fermenting this. This is the day 1 of fermenting it. This change happened in day 1. So take note, we are supposed to ferment this for 3 days. You might want to know, why are we even fermenting it? Why are we going through all this stress? You are not just mixing the ingredients. You are activating them. Fermentation is a game changer. When you leave onions, garlic, and clove to ferment, the natural enzymes break down the ingredients. The nutrients become more available. The beneficial compound increases and the mixture becomes easily to digest into the scalp. Once the enzymes are broken down, it will be easy for it to penetrate into your scalp. What I'm trying to say is that fermentation makes everything stronger, deeper, and more effective. If you have ever tried onions, garlic, or clove on your hair and it doesn't work, I promise you, if you try out this fermentation process, it is going to work. You are going to see the results, and very fast. Remember, I said we are fermenting it for 3 days, and this is the day 2. The 3 days I mentioned is not random, it is strategic. During this period, the ingredients begin to release more active compounds. The liquid becomes richer in nutrients. The potency increases significantly. If you fail to ferment it up to 3 days, you might miss the benefits. Though you can decide to ferment it longer, but be mindful, do not ferment it too much so it will not be too strong and unstable. 3 days is the sweet spot. You're not doing too much and you're not doing too little. Now, this is the 3rd day and the last day of fermentation. Believe me, I was expecting this to smell heaven and earth, but it wasn't smelling so bad. Believe me, you will survive it. One thing is sure, your hair must grow. Now imagine this. Onions boost circulation on your scalp. Garlic activates the hair follicle. Clove enhances delivery and soothing of the scalp. Fermentation amplifies everything. What you're getting is not just a hair remedy, it is a scalp reviving system. This combination targets hair loss, strengthens your hair roots, improves the thickness, encourages faster hair growth, and it does it naturally. Now, what more do you want? If you want hair growth, then you must try out this. Even if you're not comfortable with the smell, you have to pay a price to get that luscious hair you want. I poured it into this bowl so you all can see exactly how it looks like clearly. If you ferment yours, this is what you will get. Immediately you combine onions and garlic together, oxidation happens. Inside garlic and onions, there are natural enzymes that stays inactive until it is being crushed or chopped. Once it is being exposed, the enzymes react to sulfur compounds, new chemicals are being formed, the color begins to shift. This is the same reason why your apple will turn brown after slicing, and also the garlic will turn dark over time. During the 3 days of fermentation process, the natural bacteria and yeast start feeding on the sugar in the onions and garlic. In the last fermentation video I uploaded, I added sugar to it, but this one, I am not going to be adding any extra sugar because there is sugar in onions and garlic. This process breaks down the compound, releases new acid and nutrients, and also causes a color shift. Once you start using this, you will notice that your hair stops to shed within weeks. You will also notice stronger strands. Your scalp starts to feel healthy. You will not see dandruffs anymore. Your hair starts to get thicker over time. But here is the key. Consistency beats everything. You have to be consistent with this recipe if you want the real results. This recipe is not going to work for you if you just use it once and you don't use it again. This mixture will work for you because it is raw, it is active, and it goes directly into your hair follicle. This is not going to give you overnight growth, but if you're consistent, I promise you, you're not going to regret it. If you're going to try this, commit properly. Apply this on your scalp, not on your hair. Massage it gently for boost circulation. Leave it in your hair for a reasonable time. Do not apply it and then wash it off immediately. Give it enough time. Let's say 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can go 2 hours if you can. That is enough time for you to work magic on your scalp. This recipe are for those who are tired of spending their money and getting little or no result at all. I am not forcing anybody to try this, but now you know that fermentation is a game changer. After massaging this into your scalp, you want to be extra. Being extra means introducing a natural form of heat. And how do you do that? You wear a plastic bag or a shower cap. The heat from the plastic cap will help the ingredient penetrate deep into the hair follicle. Once you put on the plastic bag, you instantly feel a warm sensation on your scalp. That is exactly what you need. We have finally come to the end of this video. If you learned anything from this video, please support me by liking, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.